Hi there, this is Anup. Today we are going to talk about the easiest method to deploy Microsoft Edge browser policies. How do you deploy Microsoft Edge browser security policies for the latest version of Edge using Intune? What is the best option? And what are the Microsoft recommendation on that, and what is the community recommendation, etc, etc. So don't skip the video. Let's go ahead and watch it out. Microsoft Edge security policies, that is what we are going to cover in this video. Security baseline policies, Edge version 112 security baseline policy. These are the two topics which we are going to cover. Baseline policies, I have covered it previously also, so you can refer to the I button in YouTube to get that video over here. As I mentioned, most of these stuff are already shared in the previous video, so you can refer to that particular video to get more detail. So in Intune, there are different methods to have security policies. It depends on the organization that you work for and the security team within your organization, whether they are following CIS standard or they are fine with Microsoft security baseline, which is by default available in Intune. Over here in this video, we are going to concentrate on security baseline for Microsoft Edge. The latest version of this is released on 25th of May. That is pretty new, and the version supported is 112. That is what you can see over here. There are options to update security baseline, but if your existing baseline is pretty old, then it is not possible, as you can see in the demo. And the reporting of security baseline policies are a bit different. It is not using the latest reporting infrastructure in Intune, so that is why it is a bit old way of representation of status, I would say. So you can see the details are over here. The policy succeeded on the device, or there's any error or something like that. Let's go to the next slide. There are some gotchas also when you use security baseline policies, but if you look at the advantage of having Microsoft Edge security policy created within 2 minutes, then these trade-offs are fine, I would say. Again, it depends on your requirement and the security team within your organization, etc. So let's go to demo now and check out what are the new policies available in Microsoft Edge security baseline and how easy it is to create these security baseline policies. Let's try to change the version of this old Microsoft Edge baseline, and there are two options as we discussed in the previous video also. That is linked to the I button in YouTube. You can check that out. I'm going to select the baseline version which I can upgrade to, and I don't see the latest version over there in the drop down. That is the first issue I have. Let's review the difference between both the versions, and as you can see, the last two lines are added into the latest, not the latest version, last two lines are added into the baseline when you compare it. But the baseline which is in our test tenant is pretty old, I think. That is why it is not showing. So let's try to accept the baseline changes but keep the existing customization option. And it says baseline has been migrated, but the banner warning is not gone yet. Let's check that again, going back to security baseline. Clicked on security baseline for Microsoft Edge, and when I try to change version again, it gives me a different message. It says you need to go through the manual process because this cannot be done through change version process, which is automated. I'm going to click on create, and then I'm going to create a new Microsoft Edge baseline which is available in Intune portal, and this is updated on 25th of May 2023. Enter the name and description, click on next, and over here you would be able to see configurable options, the template which Microsoft set as the best practice. You can see allow unconfigured site to be related, SSL related configurations, and then enhance images enabled kind of configurations, and then extension related configurations. You can disable all the extension installation configurations, HTTP authentication related configurations, native messaging related Microsoft Edge configuration, password manager and protection related policies, smart screen settings. All these are included in the latest version of Baseline. And once you are alright with all these configurations, then you can click on next and assign it to a set of devices, all the managed devices probably, and then deploy it to those devices. This is so simple like this. And Microsoft Edge Security Baseline is coming from Microsoft Product Group, and this is the recommendation from Microsoft Product Group. Click on create to create this security baseline policy for Microsoft Edge browser, and you can see version 112 over there. Let's quickly check the latest version of Microsoft Edge and the version of the baseline over here. The latest version I could see is 113 in the Edge browser, and security baseline version in Intune, the latest one is version 112. Now that you have seen the details about Microsoft Edge security policies, Edge security baseline, the version 112 security baseline, all the details from Intune console, you have seen the demo also. You know how to deploy Microsoft Edge browser security policies in 2 minutes to all your devices. Hope this was helpful. Thank you all for watching. See you around.